Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of DIY Clean Energy. In this session, I will teach you about hydro energy. Let me tell you a fact. Do you know that water covers 71% of the Earth's surface? Hydropower or hydro energy is a form of renewable energy where the energy of flowing water is converted into electricity. It is considered a renewable energy source because the water cycle is constantly renewed. Many countries have been capturing the energy in moving water for thousands of years, and today it is still a resource that generates clean and renewable energy. Hydropower plants generate electricity using generators and turbines. The energy generated by moving water spins rotors on a turbine. The turbine is connected to an electromagnetic generator which produces electricity when the turbine rotates. There are two main types of generating electricity using water. One is hydroelectricity production dams and the other is run of the water. Hydroelectricity production dams use a potential energy of dam water to produce electricity. A dam is a barrier that stops or restricts the flow of surface water or underground streams. They help to raise the level of the water and control its flow. The elevation created by the dam creates a gravitational force for turning the turbine when the water is released. The second source of hydroelectricity production is run-of-the-river. Run-of-river uses turbines and generators but relies on natural water flow rates of rivers using just a portion of the water through turbines. Because the run-of-river is subject to natural water variability, it is more intermittent than dammed hydro. There are various sizes of hydro plants that generate electricity. They are large hydro plants, small hydro plants, and micro hydro plants. Large hydro plants generate electricity more than 30 megawatts. Small hydro plants generate electricity of 100 kilowatts to 30 megawatts. And micro hydro generates electricity less than 100 kilowatts. Now let us discuss some of the advantages and disadvantages of hydroelectricity. Advantages of hydroelectricity. It is a clean and non-polluting source of energy. No fuel is required. Water is the source of energy and it does not consume water. Dams are constructed near rivers. As the water level rises, the kinetic energy of the water gets changed to potential energy. And some of the disadvantages of hydroelectricity are: it is highly expensive. Large areas of human habitation and agriculture fields are submerged. Dams can be made in limited areas. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next session, we are going to create a DIY project on hydro energy. Show some love by giving a like to the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.